Discover your perfect getaway in Kissimmee. Welcome to the vacation home of your dreams in the vibrant Storey Lake community. This stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is designed to offer you an unforgettable experience in the heart of Kissimmee, close to all the attractions and shopping centers this magical destination has to offer. Look no further. Why choose this home? On the first floor, you'll find a cozy bedroom with a king-size bed and a bathroom with a shower. Upstairs, the luxurious master suite features a king-size bed and a private bathroom. Bedroom 3 offers a full-size bed and a single bed, while bedroom 4 is equipped with bunk beds, perfect for the little ones. Additionally, you'll have access to a full laundry room for your convenience. The elegant, minimalist design maximizes the ambience throughout the property. Guest access. Access the entire house via keypad entry, except the owner's closet. Have a pet? We love animals. We accept up to 2 dogs for an additional fee of $300 per stay. Make sure they are crate trained and clean up after them. Parking is easy with space for 3 to 4 cars. Don't miss the resort amenities. Mail sign. Storey Lake offers an incredible variety of amenities for the whole family: a resort-style pool with a splash park and water slides, an artificial beach, a restaurant and bar, a lazy river, natural trails and conservation areas, and much more. The perfect place to enjoy the Florida sunshine. Unbeatable location. Just minutes from Disney theme parks, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, and Legoland. Plus, you'll have easy access to restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Everything you need is just around the corner. Act now. Don't miss the chance to experience a dream vacation in this amazing home. Click the link to see more details and book your stay. Visit our video channel to see other incredible properties, and don't forget to subscribe to get the latest updates and offers. Your Orlando adventure is waiting. Ready for the best getaway of your life? Contact us today and secure your spot in paradise. For more information, visit www.roivacationshomes.com or call us at +1 689 200 9518. See you soon in the heart of magic.